Are you wondering which programming languages will dominate the tech world in 2025? Curious about which skills will be most in demand by employers? Or perhaps you're trying to figure out which programming language is the best fit for your career growth? The answers to these questions are more critical now than ever, as the right choice can shape the success of your projects and open doors to exciting job opportunities. Choosing the right programming language can make all the difference in the success of your projects and getting job opportunities. With new programming languages and technologies constantly emerging, knowing which top programming languages in 2025 to focus on is crucial. Whether you're an experienced developer looking to enhance your skills or a beginner eager to dive into coding, understanding the best programming languages will help you stay ahead of the curve. With hundreds of programming languages in use today, it can be daunting choosing which ones to learn when you're new to tech. The good news is, programming languages aren't like Pokemon. You don't have to catch them all. You just need to know which ones are the most relevant to your field, are desirable among employers, and have median salaries that align with your personal career goals. In this video, I present to you the top 10 best programming languages to study in 2025. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Let's hear you in the comment box below your favorite language on the list. The digital landscape continues to evolve rapidly, and with each passing year, certain programming languages gain prominence due to their versatility, demand, and efficiency. As we approach 2025, it is crucial to focus on the programming languages that will shape the future of technology and software development. Here's a breakdown of the top 10 programming languages to study in 2025. Let's begin with SQL, the number 10 on the list. Structured Query Language, SQL, is essential for managing and querying databases. Despite its simplicity, SQL plays a crucial role in almost every application that interacts with databases. With the explosion of data, SQL skills are critical for developers who need to manage, manipulate, and retrieve data efficiently. It's a powerful tool that can be used to perform a variety of tasks, such as querying, updating, and deleting data, and it's a valuable skill for anyone working with data. Reasons to learn SQL. It's a powerful tool that allows you to draw data from several connected databases. It's in demand since more and more businesses are using data to make decisions. It's a relatively easy language to learn because it has a simple syntax and a small number of commands. It has different versions tailored for different needs, such as security. Example SQL dialects include MySQL or PostgreSQL. It can help with tracking trends, since it allows you to use linear progression. It helps companies assess their performance by retrieving metrics stored in databases and calculating KPIs. Job titles that use SQL include data scientist, data analyst, business intelligence analyst, quality assurance engineer, data warehouse architect, SQL developer. Average salary of SQL developers. SQL developers earn an average of $93,868 per year in the US, according to Glassdoor. Whether working with traditional databases or modern cloud-based systems, SQL will remain vital in 2025. The next programming language to learn in 2025 is Swift. Swift is Apple's primary language for iOS and macOS development, making it crucial for developers interested in the booming mobile app market. Swift is a language invented by Apple in 2014 to create Linux and macOS applications. Although relatively young, its popularity is explained by the fact that most iOS apps are written in Swift. It's a great language to start with if mobile development and gaming are your goals. With Apple's continued dominance in the smartphone and wearables industry, Swift offers a streamlined, safe, and fast programming experience. Reasons to learn Swift. It's a clean, concise, open-source programming language. It eliminates entire classes of unsafe code as a preventative measure. It was built to be incredibly user-friendly. It offers a knowledgeable community of users. It's designed for safety with built-in error checking. It's used by some of the biggest companies in the world, including Apple, IBM, and Airbnb. Job titles that use Swift are iOS developer, Swift software engineer, full stack engineer, Android developer, and mobile engineer. Swift developers earn an average salary $120,000 per year. Learning Swift in 2025 will keep developers ahead of the curve in mobile app innovation. The 8th best programming language to learn in 2024 is Ruby. If you want to start with a language that is known for being relatively simple to learn, consider Ruby. Developed in the 1990s, it was designed to have a more human-friendly syntax, while still being flexible from the standpoint of its object-oriented architecture that supports procedural and functional programming notation. A web application framework that is implemented in Ruby is Ruby on Rails, ROR. Ruby developers touted for being an easy language to write in and also for the relatively short learning time required. These attributes have led to a large community of Ruby developers and a growing interest in the language among beginning developers. It remains popular for startups and small to medium-sized businesses due to its rapid development capabilities. Reasons to learn Ruby. Ruby's simple and readable syntax allows for rapid development. Its powerful framework, Rails, enables building scalable web applications quickly. Ruby has a strong, active community that provides extensive resources and libraries. Ruby is highly flexible, allowing developers to easily modify or add to existing code. Ruby is ideal for startups due to its focus on quick prototyping and deployment. Ruby's philosophy reduces setup time and simplifies coding practices. Here are some job titles that commonly use Ruby. Ruby on Rails developer, full stack developer, backend developer, software engineer, web application developer, DevOps engineer, API developer, automation engineer, technical lead, etc. The average salary for a Ruby developer is around $121,000 per year. Ruby's elegant syntax and growing ecosystem make it a solid choice for web development, and learning it in 2025 could give developers an edge in building scalable and maintainable applications. Next on the list is C and C++. C is one of the oldest and most widely used programming languages that also form the foundation for C# and Java. C++ is a more advanced version of C. Both of these languages are fundamental for creating fast, efficient, and scalable applications for a wide range of industries. Reasons to learn C and C++. C's purpose, tools, and syntax are designed so that it can closely interact with a computer's hardware. C is written in human-like commands and has functions similar to the ones in Java or Python. Today, a program written in C can run on any physical machine or operating system, be it Ubuntu, Windows, Android, iOS, and so on. C++ is a programming language used in creating fast, efficient, and scalable applications for a wide range of industries. With its ability to offer high performance, C++ remains a popular choice for developing game engines, operating systems, and other performance-critical software. If your career choice pushes you towards mastering C++, rest assured knowing that everything will seem much simpler after it. Job titles that use C and C++ include C Developer, High Performance Computing Specialist, Operating Systems Developer, Embedded Systems Developer, Financial Software Developer, etc. The average salary for a Ruby developer is around an average of $118,366 per year. In 2025, C and C++ will still be the go-to choice for developers who need close control over hardware and performance, particularly in industries like embedded systems, gaming, and aerospace. Another language taking the sixth position is PHP. Despite the rise of newer web languages, PHP remains one of the most popular server-side scripting languages. It powers 75% of websites, including platforms like WordPress. For developers interested in building dynamic websites and content management systems, PHP is still a strong choice. PHP is an open-source programming language created in 1990. Programmers mainly use PHP to write server-side scripts. But developers can also use this language to write command-line scripts, and programmers with high-level PHP coding skills can also use it to develop desktop applications. PHP is considered a relatively easy language to learn for beginning developers. PHP professionals have access to several dedicated online communities, making it easy to get support and answers to questions. Reasons to learn PHP. Widespread use. PHP powers over 75% of websites, including platforms like WordPress and Facebook. Easy to learn. PHP's simple syntax makes it beginner-friendly for new developers. Web development focus. PHP is specifically designed for server-side web development, making it ideal for building dynamic websites. Fast deployment with built-in web development tools. PHP allows for quick project launches. Affordable hosting. Most web hosting services support PHP, reducing deployment costs. Active community. PHP has a large developer community, providing extensive support and resources. Here are some job titles that commonly use PHP. PHP developer, full stack web developer, backend developer, web developer, software engineer, WordPress developer, Magento developer, Drupal developer, LAMP stack developer, e-commerce developer. On average, PHP programmers earn average annual salaries of about $107,409. Its integration with MySQL and ease of use make it suitable for web projects of all sizes in 2025. Rust is the fifth programming language to study in 2025. Safety first. Rust is gaining traction in system programming because it enforces memory safety, preventing errors that can crash your applications. Building high-performance systems that need to be rock-solid and secure? Rust is your guardian angel. Rust is a fast, efficient language mostly known for its security strengths. It's harder for humans to learn, but easier for machines to understand. It was released by Mozilla in 2010 and facilitates designing and writing high-performance programming applications. Reasons to learn Rust. One of its most common purposes is system programming, i.e., creating operating systems and software. It's one of the more sought-after skills for developers who work with blockchain technologies. It's designed in a way that ensures memory safety, so you can program with a sense of security. It's continuing to evolve and grow with new frameworks, tools, and resources. It solves some of developers' frustrations with memory management problems commonly associated with C and C++. Job titles that use Rust include Rust developer, blockchain engineer, network engineer, system engineer, game developer, etc. Rust developers earn an average of $116,843 per year. Rust is known for its ability to write safe code without sacrificing performance, making it ideal for system-level programming. Fourth on the list is C#. It is a modern, object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft as part of the .NET framework. Known for its simplicity, versatility, and robust capabilities, C# is widely used for developing web applications, desktop software, games, and enterprise solutions. Its syntax is similar to C++ and Java, making it approachable for developers familiar with these languages. C# stands out in various domains, including game development through Unity, a popular game engine, and enterprise applications where NET's ecosystem excels. With continuous updates and a strong community, C# remains a relevant and in-demand language in the tech world. C# is widely used for developing Windows applications and games through Unity. Its integration with Microsoft's .NET framework makes it powerful for building scalable applications, from web services to complex enterprise software. As Microsoft's cloud services, Azure, expand, C# is positioned to become even more vital in cloud-based development. C# remains an essential language for future-focused developers. The demand for C# developers span multiple industries, offering diverse career paths. Companies across sectors such as technology, finance, healthcare, and entertainment actively seek professionals skilled in C#. Common roles include C# software developer, game developer, full-stack developer, and application developer. With the growth of game development using Unity, C# has become a staple for creating immersive 2D and 3D experiences, further boosting job opportunities in the gaming industry. Additionally, enterprises utilizing Microsoft's Azure platform frequently seek C# experts for cloud-based solutions. Freelancing and remote work opportunities are also abundant, as C# integrates well with various tools and frameworks to create scalable applications. Professionals skilled in C# often secure positions offering competitive salaries and significant growth potential, especially when combined with knowledge of related technologies like ASP, .NET SQL Server, or Xamarin for mobile app development. Number 3 on the list is Java. Java is a powerful, high-level programming language renowned for its write once, run anywhere (WRA) principle, which allows developers to create applications that can run on any platform with a Java Virtual Machine (JVM). Developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995, now owned by Oracle, Java has remained a cornerstone of modern software development due to its robustness, security, and scalability. It is extensively used in web development, enterprise applications, mobile apps, especially Android, and even embedded systems. With a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, and Apache Maven, Java continues to be a versatile tool for building complex, scalable solutions. Java has been a mainstay in the programming world for decades, and it continues to power enterprise applications, Android development, and large-scale systems. Known for its write-once, run-anywhere capability, Java's scalability makes it a popular choice for big businesses and government systems. Learning Java in 2025 will offer opportunities in both traditional sectors and emerging areas like cloud computing and big data. Java's widespread use across industries ensures a steady demand for Java developers. Popular roles include Java software developer, back-end engineer, full-stack developer, and mobile application developer. Its dominance in enterprise software development, particularly for banking, healthcare, and e-commerce systems, makes it a critical skill for creating scalable, secure applications. Java developers are also sought after for their ability to build Android apps using tools like Android Studio. Emerging technologies such as big data and cloud computing often leverage Java frameworks like Apache Hadoop and Spring Cloud, further broadening its career prospects. With attractive salaries, remote work options, and continuous demand, Java remains one of the most rewarding programming languages for tech professionals. Now is the time to move to the second on the list, but before that, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Now the second on the list is JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile, high-level programming language that serves as the driving force behind the interactive and dynamic features of modern web applications. As a cornerstone of web development alongside HTML and CSS, it is indispensable for creating responsive designs, animations, and real-time updates on the front end. On the back end, JavaScript shines with frameworks like Node.js, empowering developers to build scalable, full-stack solutions using a single language. Popular libraries and frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue.js further extend JavaScript's capabilities into app development, web services, and even gaming. As businesses prioritize immersive and engaging online experiences, JavaScript's demand continues to soar. Roles like front-end developer, full-stack developer, and JavaScript engineer are prevalent across industries, offering competitive salaries and global opportunities. Its flexibility and ubiquity make it a top choice for both freelance and in-house development roles. Mastering JavaScript opens doors to creating cutting-edge web solutions and ensures a strong foothold in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Python is the number one on the list. Python continues to dominate the programming landscape due to its simplicity, readability, and unmatched versatility. Its intuitive syntax makes it an ideal choice for beginners, while its powerful libraries and frameworks cater to the needs of seasoned developers. Python is extensively used in diverse fields, including web development, with frameworks like Django and Flask, data science, with Pandas and NumPy, machine learning, artificial intelligence, with TensorFlow and PyTorch, and automation. This versatility has positioned Python as a critical tool for solving complex problems and driving innovation in cutting-edge technologies. With a thriving community and an ever-growing ecosystem, Python remains an essential language for modern development. Its demand is particularly high in data-centric roles like data scientist, machine learning engineer, and AI specialist, as well as in back-end development and automation. As organizations increasingly rely on data-driven solutions and AI-powered applications, Python's importance in the tech industry will only continue to grow, making it a must-learn skill for developers in 2025 and beyond. In 2025, acquiring proficiency in the top 10 programming languages will unlock diverse career opportunities and equip developers to navigate the dynamic tech ecosystem. Python, with its dominance in AI, data science, and automation, continues to lead the charge, while JavaScript remains indispensable for creating interactive web and mobile experiences. Swift and Kotlin cater to mobile app development for iOS and Android, respectively, ensuring that developers can meet the growing demand for seamless digital solutions. Meanwhile, languages like Java and C# power enterprise-level applications and back-end systems, showcasing their enduring relevance. For cutting-edge innovation, mastery of Rust and Go is crucial, given their efficiency and scalability in systems programming and cloud-native development. By staying versatile and adapting to these languages, developers can thrive in a constantly evolving tech landscape, building solutions that span from machine learning to mobile and cloud applications.